Businesses, I want you to be aware. I'm seeing ads inside of Facebook. I'm seeing ads from different voice search companies. And what they're doing is they're then showing, oh, look, I got this person all the way to the very top of the search. And that person happens to be paying for an ad. So I want to make something very clear. Simply Be Found does nothing with ads. We don't do anything with AdWords. We don't do anything with Bing ads. We don't do anything across the networks for any of those things. What we focus on is being able to get you organically found. We want you to be found organically by more local customers that are searching for the products and services that you sell. We want to be able to make sure you're going to be able to get those opportunities. So for at the time of recording this video, we're $25 a month to be able to get you out on top to 300 different networks. And that's also going to give you access to the tools you need to be able to grow your business. And this is going to be doing it to where it's a flat rate. You don't have to pay anything more. You don't have to do anything. It is using the tools and utilizing your business's data, your business's information to be able to take your business to that next level. It drives me crazy when I see people do things like this to where they go, oh, look, it's up at the very top. And it happens to be a Google guaranteed program, or it ends up being something that it really is not. So be aware if you're shopping around, if you're looking for a voice search company, or you're looking for a local listings company or local citation company, or you're looking for tools to be able to market your business and be able to grow your business and get more leads, more sales, to be able to increase your business's profitability, make sure you're aware of everything they do. Look and see if they're doing anything for you, see where they're going to get you, how are you going to get me found, how do you submit your data? We organically submit our data over to all of the different search networks. We have great relationship with them. We send that data over to them every night at midnight for business information. Posts those go out when you schedule them. But it's one of those things to where this is the important stuff you have to know as a business owner. So be aware, ask the right questions, and make sure you check out simplyfound.com. If you have any questions whatsoever, hit us up. We're always here to help. Thanks.